Today I'm taking with the MAIWO 1 terabyte portable SSD. So that is a nice small package. I like those cutouts I got on there, so it looks like the case is also going to act as a heatsink. A spot for a tether, a USB-C port, looks like an indicator light, and that is pretty much it. So it also comes with a tether that can be unscrewed. And we got a USB-C to USB-C cable. Nice short cable, so you don't have to worry about this thing going all over the place on your desk. And it has this interesting little holder. It says that that is good for 10 gigabit per second. So let's plug that into the laptop. Can see the LED is lit up blue, and that did pick that up right away. So I'm going to copy and paste about 15 gigabytes worth of pictures and video. And we are looking at about 640 megabytes per second. Okay, no slowdown, so that is excellent. Now let's do a speed test. Okay, so for the sequential 1 megabyte, a process 1 thread, we got 1059 on the read and 1043 on the write. For the sequential 1 megabyte, 1 process 1 thread, we got 708.94. For the random 4K 32 process 1 thread, we got 264 and 281. And for the random 4K 1 process 1 thread, we got 40 and 77. So excellent speeds for this little drive. So yeah, having a full 1 terabyte at those speeds in a small package like that, that makes this an exceptional little drive. So I'm very happy with that.